Hey finders, and welcome back to Fortune Finds, and welcome to another Fast Fix Friday video where I give you guys one beauty tip in 5 minutes or less. I'm going to teach you guys how to change the shade of one lipstick. So this is to just show you guys the versatility that there is with lipstick depending upon how you apply it and what you apply it with. Maybe save some coin. If you've never seen my face before, my name is Fortune. I am a certified professional makeup artist, and I love to create videos here on YouTube that are just educational, whether I'm teaching you guys the ins and outs of a product, letting you guys know whether it's worth your money or not, or I'm just teaching you different makeup techniques like this to really get the most out of your makeup routine and the most out of the products that you currently own. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell next to the subscribe button. This way you get a notification every time I'm uploading a new video here on my channel. The lipstick that we are going to be using in this video is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lipstick in the shade Game Changer. I have mentioned this in recent videos, and I've just let you guys know like how amazing of a shade shifter it is, how it really adapts to other products and kind of can either be really pink, really feminine, or kind of give you like that dark Instagram baddie look. Just to be clear, you can do this with any lipstick. I just think you can get more versatility out of something that's a little bit creamier. If you're interested in seeing how to change the look of a liquid lipstick, I can upload another Fast Fix Friday video on that one. So let me know down below if that's something that you would be interested in. A very pink, chic, sophisticated lip. Grab a lip liner that is a natural tone, one that matches the shade of your lips. And for me, I like to use the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural, and I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips with that lip liner. Huda Beauty lipstick, and I'm going to pat the shade into my lips with the doe foot applicator. This is a very bright and fresh look. It's cohesive, meaning that the lip liner matches the lipstick, so it's gonna give a very easy breezy lip that will go with any makeup look of your choice. Now, if you are someone that likes a juicier lipstick, I would always recommend taking a lighter shade lipstick, and I'm just gonna take that lipstick and pat it into the center of my upper lip and the center of my lower lip. Press my lips together. Taking a clear lip gloss, apply that over where I put that lighter shade lipstick, put it over my Cupid's bow in kind of an upward flicking motion. This is going to make the lips look really pouty, and it's going to make our Cupid's bow pop. Very beautiful, and I think it would look awesome with any kind of dewy makeup look. Now, if you are someone that likes a nude, simple, easy breezy kind of lip, I would take the Natural Lip Liner by NYX again, line your lips, and then you're gonna go ahead and pat the lipstick on with your finger. So I applied the lipstick to the back of my hand and then picked it up with my finger and then pat that throughout my lips. Disperse even less product, and it's going to look even more natural than when we went ahead and pat the lip product on with the doe foot. And again, you can see this is very easy, breezy, simple. People are gonna wonder, is she wearing a lipstick? Is she not wearing a lipstick? It kind of gives you like a lip stain vibe. Now, if you wanted to take this a step further, I would go ahead and take a fluffy brush and kind of just fluff that across the outline of the lips just to really soften the outline of the lips, and that's going to make this look even more natural and even more like a lip stain. A little bit less defined. People are really going to wonder, is she wearing a lipstick? Is she not wearing a lipstick? Or does she just have beautifully pigmented lips? The world may never know. So to get that vibey, moody, Instagram baddie look, pair this lipstick with a darker lip liner. So today I use the Makeup Forever and Versatile Chestnut, which is a dark brown liner. I went ahead, lined my lips, overlined them a little bit because you guys know I love a big juicy lip. And then I'm gonna go ahead and contour the lips. You're kind of gonna draw lines throughout the lips where you would think a natural indent would occur. So you know when people have really large lips, it almost looks like their lips are so juicy that their skin can't contain them. They kind of have that divot. So you're going to kind of create those contours, those shadows, so it's going to look like your lips are really, really juicy. Pat that lipstick onto my lips using the doe foot and then spreading it out with the warmth of my finger to really shear it out and make it a little bit thinner. As you can see, the lip liner is darker than my lipstick, which to me just gives more dimension and makes my lips look bigger. And you're going to want to go ahead and really thin out the lipstick over that lip contour because you don't want that lip contour to get lost underneath that lipstick. Now, if you want to take that a step further, pair a pinky lip gloss with this look. I think it brings a really youthful vibe to the lip, and you're just going to go ahead and kind of highlight the Cupid's bow like I did previously and kind of just flick it up to really lift the lip and make it look very juicy and pouty. Do keep in mind that you can change any lipstick shade by pairing it with a different lip gloss shade. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you would like to see more videos like it, do be sure to leave it a big thumbs up down below. Leave me some love in the comments. Did you learn anything from this video? Are you gonna try any of the techniques that I touched upon? And if you have a beauty hack that you would like me to address here, leave it down below as well. I would love to create a video and upload it here for you. I had a great time as always. Make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you guys so much for joining me. me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, finders. Mwah.